Hello again folks, so today is day 8 of the January Jail Jewellery Challenge, and we're going to still stay with the homemade shim made from a piece of feeder gorge. Poor thing that it is, getting worn out now. Now we've tried it on the Chub 1K70s, we've tried it on the TCH 840s, and we've tried it on the higher speed cuffs. So I thought today we'd try it on the good old TCH folding 850s. Folding rigids. So we'll get those on like so. Triple pawl again, same as these two. And we're going to get the homemade shim. Find that sweet spot. And again, no problem, just deals with it straight away. So yeah, as I've said before, get yourself a piece of feeder gorge. You don't need all these fancy gimmicks and tools and everything. If I can get it. There we go. So that's the TCH 850 folding rigids as well. It's amazing what a bit of metal can do. Thanks for joining me. Stay tuned. Date 9 tomorrow. Bye.